Barbecue grease spills on your patio can turn a chill hangout spot into a slippery, ugly mess real fast. So, when you spot those nasty grease stains, grab a good degreaser right away and hit that stain before it sets. You want to act fast, because once that grease soaks in, it gets way harder to clean. Start by scraping off any thick grease with a plastic scraper or old credit card. Don't use metal, or you might scratch your patio surface. After that, mix your degreaser with warm water following the instructions on the bottle. Pour or spray it on the stained area and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so it can break down the grease. Then scrub gently with a stiff bristled brush, not a wire brush, or you'll damage the surface. Rinse thoroughly with water and repeat if you still see grease marks. For regular maintenance, hose down your patio after every barbecue to prevent grease buildup. And if you want to keep your patio looking fresh, seal it once a year to make future cleanups easier. One of the biggest mistakes people make with barbecue grease stains on patios is waiting too long to clean them up, which lets the grease soak deep into the surface and become nearly impossible to remove. Fix that by always having a degreaser handy and tackling spills immediately. Another common issue is using harsh chemicals or bleach that can ruin your patio's finish and make it look worse over time. Stick with products made for outdoor surfaces and those labeled safe for patios. Lastly, scrubbing too hard or with the wrong tools can scratch or damage your patio, so be gentle and use the right brush for cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle things like patio cleaning and repairs right. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work from people who actually need their skills, making it a solid win-win for everyone.